In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin user to Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each choice means, so you can confidently grant admin access to the right person on your team. First, make sure you're signed into Calendly with an account that has permission to manage your organization. If you don't have the right level of access, the options we're about to use may not appear for you. From your Calendly dashboard, open the Admin Center. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is the hub where you control organization-wide settings, users, and roles. Inside the Admin Center, go to the Users section. This page lists everyone in your organization, their roles, and their current status. It's also where you add new teammates. To begin, click Invite Users. This opens a panel where you can enter the person's email address. Type the work email of the teammate you want to make an admin. Double check for typos. Invites are sent directly to this address, and a small mistake can delay access. When the email is in place, choose Next. Set roles. Here, you'll see the role options that define what the invitee can do once they join. By default, new teammates are added as standard users, sometimes called members. That role lets them manage their own scheduling, but not organization settings. Since we want to grant administrative access, switch the selection from user to admin. Admins can manage users, control team-wide settings, and oversee scheduling policies. So only grant this to people who truly need it. Take a moment to confirm your selection. This is a powerful permission level. If your plan has seat limits, make sure you have space available for an additional admin before proceeding. When everything looks right, click Send Invitation. Calendly will email the person a link to join your organization with the admin role you selected. They won't have access until they accept the invite, but you can immediately see their status listed as pending in the user's area. If needed, you can come back later to resend the invitation or adjust their role after they've joined. That's it. You opened the Admin Center, navigated to users, invited the teammate by email, set their role to admin, and sent the invitation. With these steps, you can scale your team's scheduling securely and ensure the right people have the controls they need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you set up your next admin.